Friend. Do you like to be with yourself or your friends? I always go out with my friends. I'm afraid of loneliness and I need company. Do you have many friends? I have many friends, and we often have dinner together and sing karaoke on weekends. What do your friends think of you? They say I'm frank, and they like me because I'm not selfish. They feel comfortable staying with me. Do you think that your friends are important to you? Absolutely. I share my happiness and sadness with them. When I'm in trouble, they always help me. I really can't imagine what my life would be like without them. What do you do with your friends? I go out with my friends nearly every week. We go through restaurants, we'll go fishing in the countryside. Sometimes you play cards in the coffee shop or tea house. What kind of people do you like? I want my friends to be energetic and active. We can enjoy coffees together. I also like friends who are Jamies and humorous. How can you keep in touch with your friends? If you don't see them regularly, I will send emails or short messages to them. When they celebrate birthdays, I'll give them gifts. When do you make friends? I make friends with my classmates. It takes a long time to get to know a true friend. We must experience something, and then our friendship will be stronger. Friends are truest treasures. How many times have they made us laugh when we felt like crying over a bad mistake? Made us feel loved when our boyfriends or girlfriends broke up with us. Gave us the courage to go back to school or to change careers. Like armor, good friends make us almost invincible. Able of warding off the blows life occasionally deals is because of their steadfastness. We see setback for what they are temporary.